So guys, recently you all have heard about the Facebook's Cambridge Analytica scandal in which the data of 50 million Facebook users has been compromised. It is one of the biggest scandals in the social media history which has shaken the entire world. Although Mark Zuckerberg responded to this thing.
I want to start with just a basic question. Mark, what happened? What went wrong?
So this was a major breach of trust, and I'm really sorry that this happened. We have a basic responsibility to protect people's data, and if we can't do that, then we don't deserve to have the opportunity to serve people.
But the main question is, how do we get here and what Facebook has done to recover this? Let's find it out. Hey guys, this is Piyush from Tech Telepathy, and today I am going to discuss about the Cambridge Analytica scandal. So let's get started. But before we proceed further, you make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. So guys, from the past few days there have been news of Facebook's Cambridge Analytica scandal. On March 16, the New York Times and UK's newspaper The Observer reported that a data analytics firm, Cambridge Analytica, which had worked on Donald Trump's presidential campaign, harvested private information from the Facebook profiles of more than 50 million people without their permission. That was a huge number, and let me tell you that this thing might have a huge influence on the 2016 US presidential elections. But this thing doesn't start in 2016. It all began in 2014 when a researcher from University of Cambridge named Alexander Kogan, along with his company, the Global Science Research, created an app called This Is Your Digital Life. The user takes some psychological test and the app collects their data and the person's Facebook friends' data as well. In this way, the 50 million profiles were mined for data. Kogan then shared the data with Cambridge Analytica, which allowed the firm to make a software solution to help influence choices in elections, according to the whistleblower Christopher Wiley, who was the former contractor at the Cambridge Analytica, and he was the one who revealed all the details of this scandal to the New York Times and the Observer. He claimed that the data sold to Cambridge Analytica was used to develop psychographic profiles of people and to deliver pro-Trump material to them online.
I played a pivotal role in setting up a company that I think has done a lot of harm to the democratic process.
It's not the first time that this type of thing occurred in US presidential elections. In 2012, President Obama's election team also created an app, and they have also done this thing, but they have done this publicly, not by obtaining user information by violating the Facebook rules. The news of data stealing first came in 2015 by The Guardian, and then Facebook went to the Cambridge Analytica for the deletion of data, but neither the data was deleted nor Facebook investigated after that. It was the biggest mistake Facebook has ever made. Facebook has made very soft rules for developers like Kogan, which allowed them to compromise our data, our friends' data, and to share that data. This scandal also arises at the time when the trust at Facebook is already very low. There are fake stories everywhere at the Facebook, and these fake stories are spreading more faster than the original ones. So these are the details of the Facebook scandal. Facebook has promised to take some serious steps to protect the user privacy, and Mark Zuckerberg himself assured that all the investigations will be done deeply. But Zuckerberg's reply came after a delete Facebook movement gathered steam all around the world. Even WhatsApp co-founder Brian Acton tweeted to delete Facebook. That's sad. The US senators also urged Zuckerberg to testify before Congress about how the social media giant will protect its users' privacy. In UK also, Mark Zuckerberg has been summoned by the chairman of the parliamentary committee to explain the failure of Facebook in protecting its users' privacy. These things are now forcing me also to delete Facebook because I don't want to sell mine and my friend's privacy to a data mining company. But let's see what happens in the coming days. What are your thoughts regarding this scandal? Do tell me in the comments section below. I hope you like my video, and I will be very curious to show you some more interesting videos like this in the future. So do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with me. For the time being, goodbye guys, and see you in the next one.